got in your box, do not watch. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a little unboxing. I ordered the Jeffree Star mystery boxes, summer edition, that's what they're called. I received one on Monday and I received another one today. So we're gonna do the unboxing. I wanted to get the 3. I put them in my cart, and when I was gonna check out, I only was able to get which was the mini for $20. The second one was, what is it called? The premium for $45. And the deluxe was $70, but those sold out really quick because it said that it had I believe it said a close item. If I start with the mini, and this one says, the mini says it contains 3 items, and the value was $20. Sorry, I paid $20 for it, but the value was $50. So when I cut my lashes. Okay. So okay. Seriously. Okay. And the first item that is on the, what was it? There is a pop socket. These I have never seen on the website. Let me check. Pop socket doesn't, so I don't know if it's like a limited edition item, but it's the green pop socket. And this is a velour liquid lipstick in the shade Scandal. It's like a shimmery metallic. Ooh. I kind of like it. This one is such a pretty color. When I first swatched it on my arm, I was like, on my hand, I was like, because I saw a lot of glitter. But I mean, when you put it on your lips, it doesn't look that bad. And then we have First Class. Ooh, girl. Another metallic. Girl, this packaging is so cute. I really like it. So 18 plus 18 is 36. So I'm guessing, $14 pop socket, if I'm not mistaken, because it said it was a value of $50. So this is the premium, and the premium was valued at $94 and I paid $45. And it says it contains 5. Every box contains at least 1 exclusive mystery box item. So I'm guessing in the first box was the pop socket. That was the mystery item. But he put pop socket in mostly all mystery items. The premium. Ooh, girl. This one said it contained 5 items, right? Here we have another pop socket. So I'm gonna say that the pop sockets are $14. So let's just pretend they're $14. Another liquid lipstick in Gemini. Ooh, this one's such a pretty nude. And I'm obsessed with nudes. Ooh, yes, girl. This one smells like those, what are they called? The red hot candies? Yes. The other two didn't have a scent to them. This one is such a pretty color. I'm obsessed. Leo is my favorite color, my favorite shade, but I think Gemini is my next favorite shade. And then we have a liquid frost, and the liquid frost are, let me check. And the liquid frost are valued at $25, if I'm not mistaken. And this one's in the shade Canary Bling, and it looks like that. Sorry, that fly is getting on my nerves. Okay, this is how she looks. Ooh, okay, I don't really like liquid highlights, but oh, girl, that was a lot. Oh, it's really cool. Girl, this one is blinding the house. So far it's $57. Okay, and then we have a lip and ammunition, and this one is called Galaxy Gold, which is also $18. And then this is, ooh, this one's nice. Ooh. And then we have another liquid lipstick, and this one is called question mark. This one was the one that was supposed to be a mystery. So, and this shade, you cannot buy it unless you bought the mystery boxes. So this is like, ooh, girl, exclusive. This one is such a pretty color, but I don't know, maybe because I don't really like to wear bright colors. I don't know, but this one is such a pretty color. Okay, so this one's $18 as well, I'm guessing, because all of them are 18. So that's a $93 value. So this one said that was a $94 value. So where's my other dollar? Big one, which was called the Deluxe, was worth at $175 for $70. Which, I mean, I really wanted it, but those sold out really fast. This group on Facebook, and that is Jeffree Star Fanatics, and some of the girls that got their stuff, they were spoiling everything for everybody, like, you know, the ones that got the mystery boxes. So I had to get out of it because some were complaining that I was like, girl, if you didn't like your items, why buy them? You know, that's it's a mystery. It's a mystery box. You don't know what you're gonna get, like, you know. And for the price, I don't think it's bad. I mean, if you have the money, go ahead, waste it, like, on stuff like this. But if you don't, like, sometimes they have good shades, sometimes they don't. Like, these are really pretty colors, but I don't really care for them on my skin tone. You know what I mean? Like, the Gemini passes, like, it's a good shade. And then this one, the mystery item, the question mark, was such a pretty color, but when I put it on, it wasn't cute on my skin tone, you know. So it varies. It really varies on if you want to be bold out there. I'm a basic bitch, so you know. That was it for me, girl. Everybody has their opinions, and like, I did tell this one girl, because she got on my nerves, because she was like, oh my god, why would he put these colors, and why, maybe they didn't sell, maybe that's why they're giving it to us, or like, you know. But it's like, dude, if you don't want to buy it, like, if you don't like it, just don't buy it, you know. Because I think that was one of the girls that had already bought it in the past, and she was always complaining about the boxes, you know. So it's like, you're the very first one to get it, and then you ruin it for everybody that is really interested in buying it, like, excited to see what it is, because it's a mystery. You don't know what you're gonna get. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But I mean, if you already got it, let me know down below what you got. I'm interested in seeing what other people got. I mean, it's a mystery. You don't know what you're gonna get. Seriously, I'm so sorry. Panchita wants to be out and about. Panchita is my fly friend. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment down below something cute for me, you know. Guys, thank you so much. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am having a giveaway right now at the moment, so go enter. Thank you so much, guys, and see you on the next one. Bye.